I'm checking out this 2008 Toyota Highlander. One of the parking light bulbs is out. They brought me one of these, 2827. I'm going to show you guys how to install it. So there's the bulb. You can kind of see it through there. That's the, I'm going to unplug this. That's for the headlight. I'm just doing that to gain some clearance for myself in here. And I'm going to reach in and grab this piece here and rotate it counterclockwise. That's it right there. Quick peek inside the connector, check for corrosion, everything looks good. Pop the bulb back in. Kind of see it through here. Once I pop it in, I'm going to rotate it to the right. And it's locked in. We're good to go. That's how you change the parking light bulb.